For me, art is a search which doesn't have a clear answer. It doesn't have a clear question. It's a search for something which leads you for new worlds, new territories, and you there explore new things, and that's really exciting about art. My name is Anisha Sабирова. I am an independent filmmaker and a graduate from the London Film School, which I graduated with the Outstanding Screenwriter Award. I developed 2 projects which I filmed in the past. It's The Crying of Tanbur, my first short film, and The Rhythms of Lost Time, a documentary about the disappearing music. And my recent work I'm developing with the British producer Luke Schiller, which I'm working on now. Many people, while hearing my, dreams about filmmaking, were telling me, well, Anisa, this is not really something you can earn money with, and it's not in this country, you never can make it. And I thought, well, it doesn't really matter for me. I really want to make films because I think this can tell the Tajik stories the best way. Busan International Film Festival also selected our film and gave us Asian premiere. It was really, really good for me in terms of education, and also I traveled to other countries like United States, where we won an award for best film. The Crying of Tanbur did so well, I could be funded to conduct a film residency in Dushanbe to share my experience, and first of all I wanted to share that. So afterwards I won an award, the scholarship, which was a great contribution to my education, which I really wanted. So finally I came to the film school in the UK, and it was my dream because I really couldn't afford that. This career I had was exactly about moving, just moving and making things. To make steps, not to stand, and to try things. And I think that contributes to your future, actually. So it's important to start, not to be afraid, and to try things.